On the second page, you'll see not only addition and subtraction, but also multiplication and division with the x variable. Let's go ahead and look at the first one. You've got x divided by 2 equals 7. Remember, our goal is to isolate the x. And by doing the inverse operation, we can get the x by itself. The opposite of division is multiplication. So x divided by 2 times 2 would get rid of the 2. But what we do to one side, we do to the other. So if we multiply this by 2, then we'll multiply the other side by 2. X divided by 2 times 2 cancels out the 2, so you're left with x equals 7 times 2 is 14. Number 2 is similar to those we've already done. X plus 8 equals 35. The opposite of plus 8 is minus 8. Cancel out the 8. X equals 35 minus 8, which is 27. Number 3, 5 times x equals 20. This time you have multiplication, 5 times x. The opposite of multiplication is division. So to get rid of the 5, we'll take 5x divided by 5. Since this is algebra, you divide both sides by 5. The 5 cancels out, so you're left with x, and that equals 20 divided by 5 is 4. Number 4, x minus 10 equals 40. The opposite of minus 10 is plus 10. The minus 10 cancels out, and I end up with x equals 50. Number 7. The opposite of minus 14 is plus 14, so we'll add 14 to both sides. X equals 52. On to number 8, x plus 12 equals 53. Subtract 12 from both sides. X equals 53 minus 12 is 41. Number 9, I've got multiplication again. 9 times x equals 54. Divide both sides by 9, and I end up with x equals x divided by 4 equals 9. Again, we want to get the x by itself, and right now it's being divided by 4. To get rid of divided by 4, we'll multiply by 4, both sides. We end up with x equals 9 times 4, which is 36. Now that we've done the first 8 together, you can do the bottom 4 on your own. I want you to use the same strategies that we used and see if you can do those all by yourself.